Hi, and welcome to our How To series session. With 60 plus interconnected modules, Franciscan eCare transforms a school into a smart school. Over a decade, hundreds of schools have yielded benefit from Franciscan eCare School ERP. And today, we are proud to announce the much awaited upgrade till date. Welcome to our family. Let's begin our journey together. Let's see what we were using earlier. Okay. We also felt the same, and based on users' feedbacks, we have revolutionized the whole system design. Rest assured, more updates to be published down the line. Welcome to the world of eCare Pro Student Management System. Today, we are thrilled to introduce our revolutionary student management system, designed to simplify and streamline the way parents manage their ward's schooling needs. It will be a detailed tutorial video. Thank you for your patience and time. Please note, student account and parent account are almost same. Parent account has two major features that student account does not have. They are leave and fees access. Without further ado, let's get started. Login procedure remains the same. Username and password is required to log in. In case you forgot your credentials, you may click on the forgot password option or contact School eCare admin. Customer care number is dynamic as per school. Feel free to call for any assistance. In case you don't have the school code or you are viewing something like this on your screen, then you need to enter your school code. School code can be found on your school's website. It's a 6-lettered code. Remember to use capital letters. Once done, we will see the login screen as we were speaking. Let's quickly jump onto the dashboard. Our user-friendly interface provides a seamless experience for parents and even students. With smooth animations and fluid material UI gives the best user experience. Let's take an overview of the interface. Top portion of the screen here is called the navigational bar or simply nav bar. Left hand side portion of the screen is called the drawer, which consists of menus and submenus. Below navbar we have different tiles, each providing us specific data in a glance. Let's get through all of this one by one. You may pause or rewind the video in case you need to. Let's begin with navbar. Extreme right, we have added profile management options. We have 3 quick action buttons: My Profile, Inbox and Logout. Then comes notifications, which helps to get updates all the time. Now the dashboard. Everything you see is optimized for better readability and reach. We can have a quick glance on the important items, such as number of assignments, new messages, new notices or circulars, wards attendance, library book overdue and fees due. After that, we have feeds and activity calendar. Feed shows the latest notice or circular. Clicking on them will redirect you to the details page. Activity calendar informs about the upcoming events on the calendar. If we scroll down further, we have timetable and questionnaire, where parents can view their ward's timetable of the day. Beside that, we have latest published questionnaires. Let's begin with the drawer menus. First of all, we have assignment menu. Parents or students can download or view the latest assignment created by teachers. Assignments are organized by subjects. On selecting a particular subject, user can view the posted assignments. Assignments can be submitted via uploading files within the stipulated given time. Then comes the syllabus. Parents can view or download syllabus for different subjects. After that, we have assessment. Similar to the assignments, user can view or download and submit as per instructions provided. We have introduced a new feature called question paper. Parents or students can view published question papers year-wise. We have designed it in a way so that it acts like a personal question bank for the students. Then we have timetable menu. Here user can view whole week's timetable just a click away. Then we have messaging menu. Similar to the earlier version, user can send, receive in-app messages within the institution. Just add recipients, a subject line and a message itself. Submenus like inbox and send messages are as follows. User can browse through previous activities as such. We have developed a contact-based messaging system, keeps inbox clean. Next, we have announcement menu, in which sub-menus like circulars, both school notice and class notice can be found. We have added attendance feature in this version as well. Parents can view their ward's attendance for the whole session or a custom date range. This will help to track your child's absence record. Then we have leave menu. This is only accessible to parents. Only parents can apply for their ward's leave, which if accepted or rejected will be notified here as well. Next, we have calendar menu. Very simple UI. Events are placed according to their chronological order. Then we have fees menu. This is only accessible to parents. Only parents can pay their ward's fees. Fees receipts as well as all the fee details will be available here. Parents can view or download their ward's report cards right from here. Please note, it is a digital copy, might need authorized signature to be valid. After that, we have library menu, where user can check for the latest books available or even go through the past library transactions. Then we have ebooks. Whatever ebooks school has registered with us will be readily available for everyone in the campus. At last, we have questionnaire and thoughts, where user can browse through others' published content or create a new one to publish. Features like liking the post is also available in this version. Thank you for watching till the end. We hope this tutorial was worth your time. In case you need further hands-on assistance, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for choosing us.